application for 14 people accused in the Zandspruit mob attack has been adjourned until Monday. The suspects are charged with beating and setting alight 9 young men in Zandspruit, Johannesburg, at the end of May. 8 of the victims died. The suspects have promised to follow bail conditions. Our reporter Khayelihle Khumalo joins me for the latest. Hello there, Kaya. So tell me what happened in court today and why this bail application seems to be taking so long.
Well, so that's right, Sally. I mean, it's been quite a very long road for the criminal system in this case. But of course, in the main, it's because it's about 14 suspects. So, for example, today, about 3 of the 14 suspects got an opportunity to present their argument and really pleading with the magistrate to release them. And of course, it's a very rigorous process because they must go through their personal details. They must really substantiate between the, just before the magistrate and talk about a number of factors, including the exceptional circumstances. But what came out, for example, today, some of the suspects, they were talking about the very appalling conditions in the prison system, but others, they're saying they are breadwinners in their households, so it will be fair for them to be released. So it's still going to be a very long process because even when the case resumes on Monday, so the investigating officer is going to come through and provide some clarities for the magistrate. So there's still quite a number of issues that are still outstanding in this case. And we do know that there's a special team within SAPS that was appointed to get to the bottom of this. At this point in time, once again, it's emerged in courts that about 20 suspects are yet to be arrested. So it's been a very hard time for the police to get to the bottom of this.
And what is the state's position on this gruesome case?
So far, what has emerged, Sally, is that the state is so opposed to the bail application. So they do have a number of reasons. For example, they do talk about peace and a very fragile place that is Zandspruit. So they do say that if the suspects are released, they'll be destabilizing that particular area, targeting the witnesses as well. But apart from that, they do insist that this is a group that is so well coordinated. So for the longest time, they've really committed a number of heinous crimes. So this was a breakthrough for the police to apprehend them. But in the main, one of the suspects, for example, was apprehended as far as Limpopo. So, but also there are some suspects who have been arrested. Some of them happen to be foreign nationals. They also don't have proper documents. So that's a very critical issue that the state has brought to the fore.
All right, so more on the bail application on Monday, and as you say, there are at least some 20 suspects believed to still be at large in the Zandspruit case. Thank you so much. That is our reporter Khayelihle Khumalo.